Hello everyone. Today we are here to present our third discussion video for Lex 2065 story time from group 5. Without further delay, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rikneshwari Gunasegaran and my matrix number B10838.
Hi, my name is Ravini Manimaran. My major number is B10831.
Hi, I'm Prakash Saravanan. My matric number is B10843.
Okay, today we are here to present about the characters and specific plots or event from the short story, The Fruitcake Special. Let us start with the characters.
Okay. So a character is literally word can be a person, an animal, a non-entity, or even a supernatural being. The number of a person in a short story is usually small. The personality traits of the important characters, their appearance, actions, and ideas are usually portrayed. The main character of this story is Anna. Anna works as a chemist in a Hemos Cosmetics factory in New Jersey. Her job is to design new perfumes. Hannah is single and lives with her mom. Her mom and Aunt Mimi are worried she is not getting married. Hannah is very aware of what goes on around her and quite discerning character. She knows that David Amos is not a possible in love with her. None is the waiter at the restaurant. She recognizes that it is the result of the powerful perfume she has created. The minor character is David Amos. An important minor character is David Amos. He is the owner of the Amos Cosmetic. David Amos is a dark, handsome, and fashionable gentleman who is often seen with a beautiful woman. He appears polite, but he actually does not think much of his workers. Then third one is Aunt Mimi. Aunt Mimi is pleasant, but she is also like to mind other people's business. She is constantly trying to find a suitable partner for her niece. She gives some fruitcake to Anna. The fourth one is Sabrina, a beautiful young model who is David Hemos' girlfriend. Uh, she looks down on Hannah's and he's furious when David professes his love for an ordinary and plain looking girl like Anna. David and her offer compensations to Anna in the form of money to forget the whole incident at the French restaurant. And the fifth one is Hamstrong. He is the pizza delivery boy. He provides the perfect contrast to David Amos. Hamstrong's thought, effort, and determination grows from a mere pizza delivery man to become the owner of the pizza company. He wants to make a successful of himself before he declares before he declares his love to Anna. And the last one is Hannah's mother. Hannah's mother is naturally exists that her daughter is still single. Right from beginning, she believed that Armstrong's, the pizza delivery man, will make a good husband for Hannah. This turns out to be right at the end. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Diva. Next, we move to the plot of the story. Anna is a chemist at Amos Cosmetic Factory. She creates a special fruitcake perfume. She calls her perfume the Fruitcake Special. Anna applies the perfume without realizing that whoever used the perfume will attract any man to fall in love with her. Second plot is her boss, David Amos, who has never shown any interest in her, invite her to dinner that night just after walking past her. Third, at home. Anna's mother and her aunt Mimi are discussing her marriage. They were talking about Armstrong, but Anna was not interested. Fourth, at dinner. David treats Anna as usual as just an employee. She goes to the washroom and applies the perfume. As she walks past a waiter, the waiter fell in love with her. David too showed the same reaction. Anna then realized that it is all due to the fruitcake special. Sabina, David's girlfriend, became furious with David's behavior. The waiter starts to sing for Anna, and soon after there was a confusion. Sabina punched David and then David and the waiter fought with each other. Next plot is Anna. Anna is eager to find out about the fruitcake. She visits a Aunt Mimi who tells her that the cake was made by an old lady who used special ingredients. Unfortunately, it is impossible to find the old woman as she has passed away recently. Then, when Anna returned to work, David was there with Sabina. She meets Sabina with Mr. Amos in his office and Sabina insults her. Sabina tells Anna that David will give Anna a sum of money to compensate for his behavior. In anger, Anna splashed the perfume on Sabina. She then resigned from the company and finds a new job in the factory that produced indigo. Anna feels insulted and quit her job. Finally, at home, Armstrong visited her with pizza and flowers. He told her he had fallen in love with her since her first delivered pizza to her house. Now that he has his own pizza company, he is ready to go out with her. Anna accepts Armstrong. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ricky. Okay, now we move to the events. The events in the fruitcake special happen within 1 week. It takes place at 4 events. First at Amos Cosmetic Factory, New Jersey, USA. Anna works as a chemist designing new perfumes. When she makes a new perfume with a little piece of fruitcake as part of ingredients, she tests the perfume on herself. She then attracts a rich and handsome boss, Mr. David Amos, who smells the scent of the perfume on Anna. Mr. Amos, who has a little regard for ordinary people, suddenly finds Anna expectationally beautiful. Then, Anna's home. Anna lives with a mother who is always worried that she is still single. Anna's mother will always worry about her why Anna still didn't get married yet. Moreover, at a French restaurant when Hannah is having dinner with a boss, it is an expensive place for foods and drinks. Mr. Amos asked her out for a dinner date. Anna was surprised by a sudden attention and love declaration from her boss and a waiter at the restaurant where she and her boss had dinner. Anna realized that those weird reactions towards her is all due to the fruitcake perfume she made. Both Amos and the waiter tried to win Anna's love, and a fight occurred between them. Next, Aunt Mimi's apartment when Anna visited her Aunt Mimi. Aunt Mimi lives in a nice little apartment on the other side of town. She wants to help Anna find a suitable husband. Anna learned from her Aunt Mimi that the fruitcake was made by a strange lady who used a special ingredient. However, Anna is unable to learn the secret ingredient as the lady passed away. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, that's all from us for this video. Let us catch you on the next video, which is based on the theme and issues in a short story. YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Stay. Thank you and see you.
Thank you.
Thank you.